What's up, trader? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see, gold on the lower time frame has given us a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market. And then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade gold looking at monthly perspective. Now, from the monthly perspective, we see that gold is long-term bull market. What we have seen that from this very important monthly level of support, gold has a big bounce with this long bullish engulfer, followed by a narrow doji, which is a continuation pattern. As a result, this month we have seen a gap opening with a weakless candle. Gold started to rise to the upside. Now at this point, we see that on the third week of the month, gold is still bullish. If you closely look at this monthly candle, you see it's a full body green, almost no wick at the top. That's the full body, full of volume in this candle. That volume pushed that price high, and we could see further rise on gold. We might see probably a long wick candle in this zone on gold on the monthly perspective. So that giving us a significant trading opportunity on the lower time frame. Looking at weekly to see how we can justify this price action from the weekly perspective, we see that there is a big impulse from the weekly perspective corrected to the previous resistance zone, which is turning support here. This is the resistance here, which is turning support here, and from that support we have seen a strong bounce. This is the change of long-term downtrend to a long-term uptrend. Now at this point, what we can expect, gold, as you can see, every week creating series of higher high and higher low, which is a continuation of long-term uptrend. Now previous week we have seen a narrow doji. That's the retracement of this bigger move to the upside. Now, as a result, this week we have seen the price has come back down, tested this important weekly level of support, and again had a bounce from the weekly perspective. Now, what we can expect on gold, the price to continue to go up. As you can see on the left side, there is no significant level of resistance for the gold price to stop. So, with that in mind, what we can expect now, gold to continue to go up on the weekly perspective as well. Now, if you look at daily time frame, we have seen previous day there was a narrow doji has been formed here, which is a strong rejection from this local level of support. It's a sign that gold bulls are still very strong. If you closely look at all this daily price action, we see that strong green candles followed by narrower red candles dodges that are significant bullish momentum. As a result, after this doji today, we have seen after little retracement, bulls again pushing that price high. What we can expect now, this price to continue to go up as we see that monthly, weekly, and daily aligning with higher time, aligning with the same direction as the trend uptrending market structure. So if we look at lower time frame from the 4 hour perspective, let's look at where we can find suitable entry opportunity on gold. Now, as you can see, this is the trend line that's being respected over long time. Whenever the price is coming back to the trend line, we have seen bouncing. Now this is the last bounce that we have seen yesterday, and this is what exactly expected in my weekly forex forecast. You have seen that from that level, gold in fact had a big bounce with this doji. At this point, what we see with this red doji, gold tested this another local level of resistance as support. Now this current candle is going up, creating a strong bullish candle. What we expect, as you can see, still 2 hour, 2.5 hours remaining for this candle. At some point, as soon as we will see this candle is coming back down to test this local previous resistance here, which is turning support, we can expect for a bullish trade. As soon as we will find entry opportunity according to the rules of our strategies, we'll consider going long on gold with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading gold. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.